As you continue into the future, you need to continue to meditate. It's very important. If you stop meditating, you will lose the benefits that you've gained from it so far. It's just like going to the gym and exercising your muscles. If you go to the gym for a week and then you stop for the rest of your life, you're going to lose all your gains completely. Meditation is the same thing. You need to constantly be exercising those parts of your brain for focus and attention. Some of the most successful people in the world have a meditation practice. I don't know if you know Tim Ferriss. He's a productivity guru here in the United States. He interviewed hundreds of people at the tops of their fields, scientists, bodybuilders, celebrities, billionaires, and the one trait that he found that more than 80% of them had in common was a daily meditation practice. Please make sure, if you do one thing from this video, if you do one thing from this course, is keep a daily meditation practice. At least 5 minutes a day, but preferably at least 15 minutes a day. If you can do 45 minutes a day, that's even better. I like to do it in the morning and in the evening, and also once in the middle of the day, but that's just me. You may think you don't have time to meditate, but think about how much time it saves you to go down the right path in life in the first place. Think about how much of a waste of time it is to be running in the wrong direction, and then having to go back in the other direction. Meditation will help you make the right choices to stay going in the correct direction, in the right direction, the direction that you really want to go. It helps you stay productive. It helps you stay focused and concentrated on the important things, on the right things. You don't have time not to meditate. Some of the most successful people in the world, including presidents, world leaders, billionaires, take an hour a day to meditate. And these are people that have the most extreme schedules, that barely get any sleep. The only reason that they're able to be that successful is because they have that meditation practice. Set aside some time in the day, every day, the same time. I recommend right when you wake up to practice meditation, to hone your focus, your concentration, and your ability to direct your attention to whatever you want to direct it to. That is the most important thing that you can take out of this class. As you continue to sharpen your focus and as you continue to strengthen your concentration, you'll be able to get things done in such a crazy, amazing way that you've never experienced before. Those 3 things on your to-do list for each day are going to become epic. The 3 things that you want to accomplish each month and each year are going to become things that are amazing, and people are going to say, "How were you able to do this?" And you're going to smile and you're going to say, "Meditation. Meditation is my superpower. Hyperfocus, ADD and ADHD, that is my superpower." Thank you so much for joining me in this course, Meditation for ADD and ADHD. I hope that it helps you, and if it does, refer your friends. I have a bunch of courses on depression, anxiety, and meditation masterclass, which really gets in depth, and you should check that one out if you want to get really in depth into meditation. I highly recommend taking my meditation masterclass. Very, very powerful. And I also really recommend doing in-person meditation classes, finding a group of people, a community, a studio where you can do in-person meditation classes, and if you can, do a 10-day meditation retreat. It's going to blow your fucking mind. Trust me, do an in-person 10-day meditation retreat if you can. They have free ones all over the world. They're called Vipassana. Google it, Vipassana. They have free retreats everywhere in the world. They do a specific type of meditation. They give you free food, free lodging, free vegetarian food, delicious. They give you a place to sleep and free meditation lessons and 10-day meditation retreat. It will blow your mind. I highly recommend it. These guys, the studio that I'm in right now, it's called the 3 Jewels Studio in Manhattan. They also have these 10-day meditation retreats. You should totally join one of those if you can. They have them all over the world, and many, many different organizations have them. So look into it. I'll leave some in the resources section of this course, and I sincerely hope that you are able to grow and able to transcend your ADD, ADHD, and turn it into the superpower that it actually is. If you have any trouble, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment on this course and tag me, and I will try to respond as much as I can. I'll also include some of my contact information in the additional resources, and you can contact me if you need any help. Thank you so much for joining me in this course.